We're going to open the Iono Premium Tournament Collection. Let's get into it. So this is the first milk crate I've ever bought. So we got some pink dice here. Look pretty cool. Check out this coin. What? That is so cool. For plastic. I mean, it's plastic, but it's still cool. What else we got here? Let's see if we can get it out of here. We got this box. There's our foil card. Now this foil card pack's pretty cool. Oh, and some sleeves. Check out this foil card. So if I can get this open, not only do you get the foil card of Iono, right? But then you get the mini shiny, and then you get 2 more. So if you're playing these in a tournament, you have spares. Isn't that cool? And code card. Get that out of here. But that's so cool. And then we got this box. And what's in the box? Velcro closed. We have one, two Temporal Forces, 2 Paradox Rift. Oh, 1 Paradox Rift, 1 Obsidian Flames, 1 base set, and 1 Lost Origin. And we have our coins in here. So let's get that up there. So what to open first? I'm going to say we go something like this. We're going to save Temporal Forces for last, and we're going to open base set first. Because, you know, for me, base set's not been the most reliable set. Uh-oh, we're psyching out already. Rodham. Palpad. Flabibi. Toxel. Blissey. Jacques. Florigato. Rock Chestplate. Chansey as a reverse. So is Rock Chestplate. And Iron Tread ZX. Yay! Which I have 100 of. We'll still check them out. Now we'll do Lost Origin. I usually do pretty good with old Lost Origin. Oh yeah. It's weird they mix 2 series in like this. It's weird to me. Maybe it's normal. Dollar. Liger. Warple. Reinhardt. Murkrow. Horsia. And guess I spoke too soon about it, huh? Oops. Keep those separate. Obsidian Flames. The Flames of Obsidian. Code card. Oh yeah, this is just one. Sorry. Got a little confused with the last one. We got our Fire. Drillbur. Chubchoo. Chimera. Lapraz. We have our Leechconk. Tokus. And we don't like him. Paradox Rift. Ooh, ready? Charcadet. Swabble. Wiglet. The Professor Toro. Mindshao. Rika. Dweedle. Octillery. And Groudon. Temporal Forces. Maybe we can get a banger out of Temporal Forces here. We needed something. We're not doing well. We need something. Psych. Gilbert. Relor. Hontia. Chudit. Pelipin. Ooh. I kind of like that reverse. Iron Treads reverse. And Iron Thorns. Man. Iron treads and iron thorns. Wow. All right. One last chance. Because I know Iono, they're pretty popular, but since they're putting them in packs like this, there's going to be a million of them out there. Fire! Cutie fly. Driller. Ponyta. Iron Valiant. Sharpedo. Metagross. That is not just gross. It's Metagross. Look at that. Hero's Cape. That's pretty sick. Skitty. And Roaring Moon. Well, thanks for watching.